Hi guys, and welcome back to my Christmas embroidery pattern tutorial. Here I'm showing how to stitch this pattern cone. So I'm using a satin stitch in a dark brown to fill this area. You start from the top and then go down to the bottom, and you need to come out really close to your previous stitch, so make sure there is no gaps in between. Now you have finished with the satin stitch. We're going to use a lighter brown 2-3 strands to stitch the detail on top. I'm stitching with a stem stitch, so you're holding the yarn with your left, so it's easier to see while you're coming out with your needle. So with this stitch, it's easier to create a nice curve.